There's no denying that steel buildings are incredibly durable and low maintenance, especially when compared to structures made with other materials. However, even the highest quality metal sheds, garage workshops, or other custom metal buildings need some routine maintenance in order to stay in their best shape. Here are some suggestions for keeping your steel building's appearance and performance up for years to come. Your metal building should be checked at least twice a year for any damage caused by harsh weather, accidental bumps from a vehicle, or other such causes. You'll also need to check immediately after severe storms for any dents, holes, or other damage that could compromise the steel panels. It's important to routinely clean your steel building at least once a year in order to prevent fungi or other crud from building up on the side of your structure. To clean your metal structure, just simply use a mixture of ammonia or gentle household cleaning products with warm water to remove any grime. You can do this with a soft brush or a power washer on the lowest pressure setting. For stubborn mildew, try adding bleach to your cleaning solution. Small holes and scratches might not seem like a big deal, but when exposed to the elements, they can develop into bigger problems. By promptly filling any small holes or priming and painting scratched exteriors, you can stop any further damage from accumulating. If the temperature in your area is irregular, insulation can help maintain the temperature within your custom metal building. This will minimize the buildup of condensation and help prevent rust caused by moisture. If water accumulates around and against your metal building, the moisture can cause rust or possibly even shift the foundation. Adding gutters and overhangs are a great way to direct water away from the building. If there is still standing water, try grading the perimeter to redirect water away from your structure. If the area is prone to heavy snowfalls, you should consider choosing an A-frame roof style with panels that run vertically to allow precipitation and easy exit. Avoid plowing snow up around the sides of your metal structure, as the weight of the snow could cause damage to the steel panels. Well, these are some simple maintenance tips that will help you get the most out of your steel building. If you would like to learn more about quality steel buildings for your home or business, contact one of our helpful building specialists to get started on exploring all your new custom metal carport building options.